Alright guys, we got us a sexy 2008 BMW M3 V8 when the M3s were nice, with the nice rare V8 motor. So it's got a nice carbon fiber lip. It's got factory converters there and there, factory secondary converters. Then he has some glass packs, some kind of system, we don't know, mid resonators. Then it's 2.5-inch pipe, and he had two mufflers. I'll show them to you guys in a second before, but they droned real bad. So we took them off and put them some vibrant, quiet flow mufflers there, or ultra quiets they call them, vibrants there and there. And then we also put them some quad carbon fiber tips to complete the look of the carbon fiber tail and tips there and there. There's the two mufflers we cut off. They were really bad with drone. That's what drove him nuts. So he's like, I gotta take this off. He couldn't take the sound no more, which I don't blame him. If you guys would have heard him before, they droned really bad. So we put the ultra quiets on them for him. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always guys, like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for the ultra quiets. They're 2.5 in, 2.5 out, and 2.5 in, 4-inch out carbon fiber tips, or 3.5-inch out. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2008 M3 BMW. Vibrant ultra quiet. Much better. Huh? Oh, 2011. Shoot, it's a 2011, guys. Sorry. Go ahead. Perfect. That's exotic right there. Yeah. So much quieter. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 101. Again. Oh, that's perfect, bro. That's clean. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah. If you were in the 20s again, stick them out, you know, racing or whatever. But you want a car like this, you want it clean. Yeah. It's not even turbo. Again? Oh yeah, that's perfect. You're gonna love driving this thing every day now. No more drone. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside.